The demand for efficient surface restoration tools has surged as more DIYers and professionals look to reclaim rusted parts and refinish antiques. Whether you are a dedicated mechanic restoring engine components or a hobbyist cleaning jewelry, a reliable sandblasting cabinet is essential. This guide evaluates leading options by analyzing cabinet air tightness, media capacity, visibility, and nozzle durability.
List number 1. Vevor 25-gallon sandblasting cabinet. The Vevor 25-gallon sandblasting cabinet is a quintessential benchtop solution designed for users who need to clean small to medium-sized parts without dedicating significant floor space. Its primary appeal lies in its compact utility. It sits easily on an existing workbench, making it ideal for home garages where space is at a premium. The cabinet is constructed from cold-rolled steel with a powder-coated finish, offering decent resistance to corrosion and the abrasive nature of the blasting environment. In terms of performance, this unit operates efficiently between 40 and 120 psi, making it compatible with standard home air compressors that deliver around 5 CFM. The layout features a large acrylic viewing window and a built-in LED light, which are crucial for precise work. Users often struggle with visibility in cheaper cabinets, but Vevor addresses this with bright illumination that cuts through the dust cloud, allowing you to see exactly where you are stripping rust or paint. Value is the driving force behind this model. It comes as a complete kit, including a blasting gun, 4 ceramic nozzles, and sealed rubber gloves. While it lacks the advanced dust extraction of larger industrial units, its sealed edges minimize leakage, keeping your shop relatively clean. For the automotive enthusiast needing to refurbish brake calipers or carburetors, this 25-gallon unit offers a professional-grade cleaning experience at an entry-level price point.
List number 2. Vevor 90-gallon sandblasting cabinet with 1.8-gallon dust collection system. Stepping up to the Vevor 90-gallon cabinet brings you into the realm of semi-professional restoration. The headline feature here is the integrated 1.8-gallon dust collection system powered by a robust motor. In sandblasting, dust is the enemy of visibility. This active extraction system continuously pulls suspended particles out of the chamber, ensuring you have a crystal clear view of your workpiece throughout the blasting session. This feature alone separates it significantly from standard passive vent cabinets. The build quality is heavy-duty, utilizing a standalone floor design with sturdy legs. The 90-gallon capacity is spacious enough to accommodate larger automotive parts like cylinder heads, valve covers, or even small rims. The cabinet features a large top-loading door, which simplifies the process of maneuvering heavy or awkward items into the blasting zone, a distinct advantage over side-loading benchtop models. The pedal-controlled gun allows for hands-free operation of the airflow, giving you better control over the blasting nozzle. This unit offers exceptional value for serious restorers. It effectively solves the 2 biggest complaints of sandblasting: poor visibility and mess. By capturing the dust and reclaiming usable media, it reduces waste and keeps your workshop air breathable. If you have the floor space and a compressor capable of sustaining higher airflow, this all-in-one station is a powerhouse that can handle aggressive rust removal and surface preparation tasks with ease.
List number 3. DZQ 10-gallon sandblasting cabinet. The DZQ 10-gallon sandblasting cabinet targets the niche of microblasting and ultimate portability. Unlike the heavy steel boxes of its competitors, this unit is designed to be lightweight and easily movable, often featuring a stainless or standard steel body that is resistant to rust. It is specifically appealing for jewelry makers, dental lab technicians, or hobbyists working on miniatures who require a contained environment for delicate surface treatment but don't have a permanent workshop setup. The layout is strictly utilitarian and compact. It functions as a portable benchtop unit that requires no complex installation. You simply connect your air supply and start blasting. Despite its small size, it maintains a sealed environment to prevent hazardous dust from escaping into your room. The viewing window is proportionate to the cabinet size, and while it doesn't offer the panoramic view of 90-gallon units, it provides sufficient visibility for the small, handheld objects this cabinet is intended for. Value for the DZQ comes from its convenience. It is an unbox-and-go solution for quick tasks. It doesn't require a massive industrial compressor. Smaller, quieter compressors can often run this unit effectively for short bursts. While it won't handle a car rim, it is perfect for etching glass, cleaning coins, or prepping small 3D printed parts. For users who need a blast cabinet that can be stored on a shelf when not in use, the DZQ is a smart, space-saving choice.
List number 4. DeWalt Abrasive Blast Cabinet. The DeWalt Abrasive Blast Cabinet, model DXCM009-0370, brings the brand's reputation for rugged job site durability into the surface preparation category. This unit stands out with its versatile hood-style door design. Unlike side doors that can limit the width of items you insert, the entire top and front section opens up, allowing for unobstructed loading of bulky or oddly shaped parts. This design choice significantly improves workflow for mechanics dealing with awkward suspension components or housings. Build quality is top tier, featuring a heavy-duty housing that can be configured as either a floor unit or a benchtop unit thanks to its adjustable legs. It incorporates a cyclone dust management system, which helps separate heavy media from fine dust, extending the life of your abrasive material. The layout also prioritizes ergonomics, with comfort edge glove openings that reduce arm fatigue during extended blasting sessions, a small detail that makes a big difference during long projects. In terms of value, you are paying for the DeWalt engineering and the thoughtful features like the media vibration device, which shakes the hopper to ensure a continuous, clog-free flow of sand to the gun. It supports a working pressure of up to 125 psi, allowing for aggressive stripping when paired with a capable compressor. For users who want a brand-name, reliable cabinet with superior media management and ergonomic design, this DeWalt unit is a premium investment that pays off in ease of use.
List number 5. vevor Dust Collection System, 1.6 horsepower dust collection media reclaimer. While not a cabinet itself, the vevor 1.6 horsepower dust collection system is a critical upgrade review for anyone serious about sandblasting. This unit is designed as a universal add-on to upgrade existing cabinets that lack active filtration. Its primary function is to serve as a powerful vacuum, pulling 1.6 horsepower worth of suction to clear the foggy dust cloud inside your cabinet instantly. This transforms a frustrating, low-visibility blasting experience into a clear, professional operation. The build features a compact, cold-rolled steel canister that houses a high-efficiency filter and a media reclaimer. The reclaimer aspect is vital. It separates reusable blasting media, like glass beads or aluminum oxide, from the useless dust, dropping the good media back into your supply while trapping the waste. The layout includes a standard 2-inch inlet, making it compatible with most third-party cabinets, though some drilling or adaptation might be required for specific non-vevor models. Value-wise, this is the most cost-effective way to drastically improve the performance of a cheap cabinet. Instead of buying a $1,000 professional unit, you can attach this system to a budget enclosure and achieve similar visibility and air quality results. It extends the life of your blasting media and protects your lungs by preventing dust leakage. For anyone who already owns a basic cabinet and struggles with dust blindness, this collector is the single best upgrade you can buy.